Today we had come to the Deputy Commissioner office. We had submitted memorandum regarding the citizen of Silchar and the citizen of Assam. Number 1 point, two flyovers. We demanded two flyovers at the capital point and one at the railway station, Silchar railway station. Number 2 is the drainage system of the Silchar area is totally bad, so we demanded a highly repairing about the drainage system. Number 3, all the indigenous communities of the Cachar district should be given the special state status. Number 4, in the name of the freedom fighter Swahid Bir Tikendrajit, we demand a children park at the Silchar area and a big life-size statue of Swahid Bir Tikendrajit in front of the Silchar District Library. We demanded. And the indigenous communities, Meiteis, Kasaris, Bengalis, Assamese, Kasari Muslims, tribes, Vishnupriyas of the Kachar district should be given special status under the Assam government. We have demanded all this to the Deputy Commissioner, and we hope that Deputy Commissioner will forward to the Chief Minister of Assam.